Now let's talk about our no interest market facilitator index. And no interest means that there are no new buyers coming into the market, buyers or sellers, and there are no institutional or insider trades being initiated. So there's not enough volume either way to take the market in one direction or another. And as you can see by each red line I have marked on the chart, each red line is a no interest bar where we had no interest. And just to give you an idea, think of the market, think of price like a flotation device, okay, that sits on top of the water. As long as that flotation device is sitting on top of the water, the forces are in balance, or we have equilibrium between gravity pushing down and buoyancy from the water pushing up. But now, if we add volume or if we add weight, the flotation device will sink down in the water down to the degree to which we added weight. And conversely, if we subtract volume or if we take away weight, the flotation device should tend to rise in the water. And if we see that that process does not occur, then we know something is wrong here. Something is not quite right with this picture. But when you see a red bar on the market facilitator index, the MFI index, when you see a red bar, think of it as there was no volume or weight added and there was no volume or weight subtracted. So whatever price is at the close, at the open of this bar, that's equilibrium. So now if it goes down, if there is a down bar on a red MFI bar, if the price bar is down, that tells us that the market wants to go down because there's no weight being added, no weight being subtracted, and yet it's going down. So that tells us that the natural flow is down and the market is going to continue down unless we have intervention. And this is one of the reasons why most of the time, not always, but a very high percentage of the time, after a red bar on the MFI, you will see a blue bar on the MFI, because that blue bar represents the operators coming into the market. So if you see that the market is wanting to go down, that is the natural balance of supply and demand right at that moment, and then it stops going down, and it stops going down because of operator intervention. That gives us a very big clue which way price is likely to move next. Because if price it's trying to go down and operators stop it from going down, then that means they want it to go up. But this is just one more way, one more thing about the MFI indicator, and there are a lot of different ways to use it. And it's like the each part, the no interest, each bar, the no interest bar, the public and professional bar, and the even bar, they are like letters in alphabet, and when they construct a certain way, they give you a certain word or notes on a musical instrument, and when you put them together and know how they confirm each other, it can give you a very, very accurate picture of the market or the supply demand balance at that particular time. Okay, we've got a basic understanding of the red no interest bar and what it means on the MFI indicator. And as with the other things we spoke of earlier, we'll be getting more in depth into this bar as we go along and start incorporating other things such as the price volume spread and support resistance, along with our pivots and our breakouts.